Good evening and thanks for joining us. I'm Patrice Dayton.
And I'm Rondrell Moore. It's been nearly 2 weeks since Pathways Day Center closed in Terre Haute. The change has left many homeless people without the resources they need. We told you before Pathways was forced to close at the beginning of this month. The Day Center said it simply didn't have enough money to keep operating. Leaders told us they need sustainable funding. It costs about $5,000 a month to run the center. While it was open, people could do laundry, use the internet, and find other community resources. Reach Services has been trying to find a way to reopen the center, but so far nothing has worked.
News 10's Madison Zaleski learned what the organization is doing to help the people in the meantime.
The Pathways Center provides a number of resources for the local homeless community right here in Terre Haute. With it temporarily shutting down, it has caused a lot of headache for those who rely on their resources. The Pathways Center temporarily shut its doors on October 7th. For people who live in harsh elements, this cut has left them asking, what do we do now?
I've slept behind dumpsters, I've slept under bridges, I've slept in some pretty horrific sceneries.
When Aaron Skirvin heard the center was temporarily closed, he worried it would intensify some of the problems he and others face.
You have so many homeless people out here, you have so many people in screwed up situations.
At the center, people could do laundry, use the internet, shower, and get in contact with other local agencies. When the site first closed, the executive director of Reach Services, Sarah Chandler, shared what went through her head when she saw several homeless people sitting outside the center.
Seeing them sitting there was definitely devastating and heartbreaking to see, just because you know that they rely on us for so much.
Reach Services has been paying out of pocket for the services. Chandler also says the organization was also relying on funding to keep afloat, but it never came through. In the meantime, they continue to search for additional funding and collect monetary donations.
So I've been working with city officials and county officials so far. I've had meetings with RJL to seek for some grants that maybe we didn't know about that they can assist us with. I've reached out to other local organizations here in town.
While the center is closed now, the Reach Services Board of Directors says the site can open during cold weather as a warming center. Chandler is unsure when the center will be permanently reopened, but she says they will do everything they can to help.
We are going to still offer the services, it's just not out of Pathways. So we will still be rapidly rehousing people. We will still be able to do the outreach. And then once we do reopen the building, we can start utilizing the shelter dollars.
Skirvin hopes that people in the community will step up so people can use these essential services.
Fight for the Pathway House, because I'm telling you, they're good people.
News 10 will keep you up to date on the center status. To stay tuned, you can watch our website at WTHI-TV.com. Reporting in Terre Haute, Madison Zaleski, News 10.